Well, hello again. Everyone has their favorite way to heat water. And I don't think the microwave beverage button or one of these newfangled teapots like that one right there actually get the water as hot as you'd like, even though it might be pretty fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat water 3 separate ways, and the first buzzer that goes off, whether it be the microwave beverage button or the glass self-contained teapot or the range, which doesn't have a button, so it's going to be one of the other two. I'm going to immediately take that water, dump it back into those glasses, and check it for temperature. So just to be fair here, of course, this needs to all be the same temperature, and this is just tap water here, so just for the record here, I think these are all about 78 degrees here. They're within a degree, I think it's fair. 78. $77.9. $78. I will call that fair enough for now. Okay, the first victim is going to be the microwave. This is roughly 16 ounces of water, very close to it. Electric range. And last but not least, the fancy little teapot. Okay, so let's load the microwave first. And you go, boss. So what I'm going to do here is set the microwave for beverage, turn on the glass teapot, and see which one buzzes first. Put it immediately back in the glass, this being the microwave, this the stove, and this the glass teapot. And then measure the temperature and see which one is the hottest. All right. Beverage button ready. Get set. Go. High on range. Teapot on. I better change this to 16 ounces to be fair here. Oops. We'll go to 12 ounces. That'll be close enough since they're all in the same amount. I'm guessing this one is going to have the hottest water right here. Make your bets. I know the stove's going to be last because I've sitting here waited forever on hot water. And the microwave probably be a second. I don't think it'll be a close second. I can see the steam in the coffee pot. Look at that. How long did that take, sports fans? Not very long. You see the bubbles. Jeez. You get any action in here? I can't see that very well. Sorry about that. Nope. Any bubbles in the bottom of this thing? Nope. I know there's a lot of variables, guys, as far as size of the pan, thickness of the pan, blah, 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 blah. But hey, everybody always wanted to know how to boil water anyways, right? Okay, there's the beeper. Shut them off. That one shut off. This one shut off. And this is shut off. Pan goes here. Teapot goes here. Looks hot, sports fans. And last but not least, good old microwave. It's a little steamy in there. Might be a little temperature there. Might be able to make tea with that, huh? Only 2 of them are steaming, so that's probably not a very good sign, is it? Okay, moment of truth. I suppose we should put it in the coolest one first. I'm going to guess it's this one. So let's see what it says here. Let's put the backlight button on so we can see it better here. There it is. Put it down in the middle. See how high it gets here. 93 degrees. Not very good, huh? Okay, next one. Whoa, now we're talking. $134. Last but not least, the kettle. Ba-ba-da. Whoa, there it is. $172. Well, I guess this is all it's cracked up to be, huh? Now I feel more comfortable drinking hot water. Hasta la vista, y'all.